So guys, the first thing we need to set up here is the juicer itself, okay? So this is the machine, and then the first thing we need to put is this one. You are putting it this way and not the other, this way or the other way, okay? And watch this space. This needs to sit here. So make sure that you sit here. That is it. So the next one is this comes up. Okay, put it here. There is a hole here. It is sitting directly inside this little hole here, so don't make a mistake. So for this is it, and plug it inside the hole. You need to press it a bit hard, okay? That is it. So guys, the next one we need to fix is this one. You're facing it this way, not this way. This way, okay? So put it here and make sure that this sits here and also sit in the other side, okay? So when you put it here, make sure that this sit on this, okay? Then after that, you have to lock it up. This is the lock on the two sides. Make sure that this enters here first, and also the other side also enters on that same hole. Then you slide it down, press it down, then press the other side down. Guys, the next thing we need to put here is the waste container. You have to bend it and then put it under. That is it, okay? If you want to remove it, you also bend it from down and remove it. To put the front first, the up, and then it's here. So the next thing is this. Watch, it has is a signal here, and there's a sign here also. Just put it here. Of course, when you put your vegetables, whatever you want to blend, your apple and the rest of them, use this to lock it up, okay? Then the next, and this is the juicer is complete, as you can see. Plug into the electricity. It has 2 speed. Here is of speed 1 and speed 2, okay? So we turn it off, and that is it. So to uninstall everything we just did, first remove this, the up, remove this. Then the next one is this. Remove the waste container. Then touch here, up. The same thing with the other side, and it's up. Remove this, okay? Keep it down. Then this, you need to pull it up, but with a little force, okay? Watch. It's out. You're keeping it down. Then this, just remove it up. It's out, and that is it. Now we have to fix for the blender, okay? And this is it. Watch, this have to be in between this, okay? And don't forget to lock it. So we go. It's locked. Now it's locked. You can see. You must make sure it's locked, okay? So now you have to put the cover. Make sure that here is for this place to close it so that it's smooth, or what we're blending will not. It goes into here and into this place also, okay? So just this way. It's covered. So this is gone, okay? So guys, you have to remove this, then remove this one, then lose it from here, and it's out, okay? So this is gone. Now we've got another one here. So this one is for the to blend the leafy vegetables, okay? So you just have to put it here inside to the last dot, okay? Then turn it. This is locked. You have locked it, okay? Then make sure that this enters at this very spaces here. Put it down and then lock. So that is it. This one, like I said, is for blending, a leafy vegetables, to cut them, okay? To cut leafy vegetables. And that is it. You have to open this it. And this is the second part. So now we have the final one. This is the final one. This is for blending coffee. This is coffee blender, or maybe like you want to blend like nuts, okay? You know, your almond and cashew nuts and all the rest of them. It's very important not to forget that this plastic goes to this very place, you know, for this one. So put the plastic, then okay, put it and lock it. So then put it here, so you lock it up. Lock it up. It's very, very important. For coffee blender, or maybe like nuts, you know, almond, cashew nut, and all the rest of the nuts, you know, and things like that. So much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.